and welcome back. Today I'm here to discuss about how to create a customer in Odoo 14. So let's go directly to sales module and we can see customers menu under orders. So if we click this, you can see a page where all the customers that was created before can be seen. So this has a Kanban view and list view. So some details are shown in these views. So let's go ahead and create a new customer by clicking create button. So here you can see a form to create a customer. So first you have to decide whether this customer is an individual or a company. So if it's an individual, you can see a field that is to mention company of this individual. Okay, let's give a name for this customer. Then company address, we can add a company address contains street names. We can add multiple two streets, then city, then state name, zip code, country, and okay, that's all. So let's give. Then we can add a city name. Okay, let's add a state here. According to that, the country is shown. Then if you wish to add zip code, you can add. It's not mandatory. Then we can see a field that is VAT, which is a tax identification number. So this is added if the contact is subjected to a government tax. So it is used in some legal statements. Then citizen identification, which is also important. This code corresponds to the personal identification number for the tax authorities. Then we have other details like job position, his position in the company, then phone number, email, mobile, email, then website link, then title. We can mention, give a title for this customer, whether he's Dr., Miss, Mr. Then tags can be provided for the customer, which can be, we can see a lot of tags. It can be configured from this configuration. Okay. Then we have many tabs below. You can see many tabs here. We can add contacts and addresses. So we can add contact name here. Then okay, here you can add contact, then invoice address to which the invoice need to be given. So invoice and delivery address are used in sale orders. So the private address are only visible by authorized users. Others will be visible in the sale order. You'll be able to see invoice address and delivery address in the sale order. Then other address, private address can be seen. After that, you can save this contact. Like this way, multiple contacts can be added. Then we have sales and purchase tab where we can add some details like under sales section, you can add a salesperson related to this customer. Then we can add delivery method. There are three methods can be seen. You can add delivery method in which delivery have to be done. Then payment terms, you can add when the payment need to be done. You can add a payment term. Then price list can be given. Then implemented by. Then we have purchase section where we can add same payment terms and payment method. Then receipt reminder. So this is a new thing in Odoo 14. Automatically send a confirmation email to vendor some days before the expected receipt date and asking him to confirm the exact date. Then supplier currency. So for purchases from the current partner, this currency will be used instead of the default one. Then we have physical information. We can add a physical position for this customer. So according to that, tax mapping or account mapping is done. Then we have a miscellaneous section. I can add miscellaneous informations like reference, company, website. Then we have inventory section where we can add the customer location, then vendor location and subcontractor location. Then we have accounting tab where we can add a bank account with account number. Then accounting entries need to be given, like account receivable and account payable. So this will be added as a default for this customer. So this can be seen when you install accounting module. Then we have internal notes. We can add internal note for the customer. Then warning can be set on picking and on invoice for this customer by giving warning or no message, or not at all, no warning at all, or you can add blocking message. So in this way warning can be set. Then we have partner assignment, or you can see geolocation, then partner activation and partner review. So this is related to partner activation. Can customer relationship management, it is related to that. So you can set partner level, that can be golden partner, silver partner. Then commission plan can be created to add a commission for this customer. Then activation level weight can be provided for this customer. Then partner review with latest partner review, next partner review, partnership date and all. And we have done video regarding based on commission plan in Odoo 14 CRM. So you can check the link above to know more about it. Then you can see above some options, that is to see all the opportunities created for this customer. Then you can see the meetings with count, then sales, number of sales, subscriptions, purchases, and on-time rate. And you can see form, and under more options you can see invoiced, vendor bills, partner ledger, direct debit and all. Then we can go to website. So these are all the details can be provided inside the customer form to create a customer. And when you save this, you will be able to see this customer is created. So that's all about customer creation in Odoo 14. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.